Today, I'm in Severna Park, Maryland. We're working in an attic that has pretty much been defenseless against Mother Nature for a long time. If you have little or, as in this case, zero insulation, that is a huge weak link in your home's overall defense system. It's going to cause problems like hot upper floors in the summer, cold, drafty houses in the winter, and it's probably going to shorten the lifespan of your heating and cooling system because it's going to have to work overtime to try to keep you comfortable. The reason these comfort and efficiency problems go unsolved for so long is because they're hiding in parts of your home that most people avoid. The attic, the crawl space, even basements. But those areas are exactly where I go during your inspection. So you schedule your energy audit, I come out, I get into the places that nobody else wants to go, I uncover what's really going on. Airflow, drafts, windows, gaps, missing insulation, and I'm going to show you exactly what needs to be done. So here's the process. Step 1, schedule your energy audit online. Step 2, let's meet. I'll complete the inspection and I'll build out your custom plan. Step 3, you decide what you want to move forward with. Step 4, we measure the results and you feel real improvement. So, if you want a fix that actually works and doesn't break the bank, go to my website, homeairleakagetest.com, look for the Book Audit Now button, sign up for the first available date that works for you, and I'll do the dirty work and show you exactly what is really happening inside of your house.